Okay, let's look at an example where you will not have any infinite half circle. So example is GSHS is equal to k upon s plus 2 s plus 5. Okay, it's a type 0 system, and uh, you consider unity feedback, uh, negative unity feedback. Okay, and it's order 2, you can see. And first we will see S1 region. Let's say plot a contour is in this fashion, normal clockwise. Okay, S1, if you will see S1, S2, S3, S4, this part we are looking at, that is polar plot only. So magnitude, if you will calculate, k upon under root omega square plus 4 under root omega square plus 25. Angle will be minus tan inverse omega by 2 minus tan inverse omega by 5. Now at omega equal to 0, magnitude will come out to be k by 10, 0, 0. So under root 4 is 2, under root 25 is 5, k by 10. Angle will be 0. At omega equal to infinity, magnitude will be 0, infinite, 0, and angle will be minus 80 degree, 180 degree, minus 90, minus 90, minus 180 degree. Means it will start somewhere from here with magnitude k by 10 at 0 degree, and it will finish at minus 180 degree from minus 180 degree, and the magnitude is 0. So either it will come like this or either it will come like this. Okay, so just blindly I checked angle minus 90 degree, whether angle there is an value of omega for angle minus 90 degree or not. That's what I was checking. So randomly I took minus 90, which is this line, whether it cuts this line or not. So 90 degree I put in angle, and tan inverse A plus tan inverse B I applied, and inverse A plus B upon 1 minus A into B. So this will give omega is equal to under root 10 radians per second. So you can see there is a finite value of omega for angle minus 90 degree. Okay, so you can see that this plot will curve minus 90 degree line. If there would never be a, if there would have not been a value of omega, means it was undefined for this case, then I would have checked for minus 270 degree. Okay, so just I checked for minus 90, it came out to be finite value of omega. If it would have been a non-defined value, then I would have gone for minus 270 degree, because either the curve will come like this or come like this. So now I am sure that curve will look like this. This is how the curve will look. This is omega equal to 0 plus, sorry, I should write here this is omega equal to 0 plus, and here omega is equal to infinite plus, and this place under root 10 is equal to omega. Okay, this is the curve polar plot. Now S3 will be the mirror image of this, so it will come like this. Okay, so this will be omega equal to 0 minus mirror image, omega equal to infinite minus. So from infinite minus to 0 minus, infinite minus to 0 minus, then 0 minus to 0 plus, 0 minus to 0 plus, and then 0 minus to 0 plus, then 0 plus to infinite plus, 0 plus to infinite plus, infinite plus to infinite minus. So you can see in this case the Nyquist plot does not have infinite circles. Okay, and there is no type, it's a type 0 system. So that is the reason you don't have any infinite circle, and this is how the Nyquist plot will look like for this system. And now you can see that this somewhere here it will be minus 1 plus j0, and you can clearly see that n will equal to 0 because there is no encirclement of this point by the Nyquist plot. Okay, plus p is also 0. You can see here there is no pole in the right half of S plane in the open loop transfer function, so z will be also 0. This means it is stable. Okay, n is is equal to p minus z will be followed because of this contour. 0 is equal to 0 minus z, z will come out to be 0. Okay, so I have applied the Nyquist criteria as well. We saw it is not necessary that you will get infinite circles, and sometimes it cuts other axis as well. Not all the time you will the plot will cut minus 180 degree. So you can check by the behavior of means the value of we are getting at omega equal to 0 and infinity. You can judge the behavior of plot, how it will go, and accordingly you can check. Okay, so uh, this is a bit different example I wanted to give, but I hope you got the feel how to actually go for Nyquist plots and come till stability, so that you can manipulate your mind with respect to question. It is not always it will cut minus 180 degree. It is not always infinite circle you will get. Sometimes it cuts in other axes as well, and you will not have infinite circles. Still the system will be stable, and you can see that. Okay, so this is the reason I took this example, and